Okay, so the big question on everybody's lips is, can you actually make a cereal bowl on a small pottery wheel? Well, I'm going to attempt to do that. I'm just going to do a few score lines on there. And I'm going to take, so what I've done here is I've thrown a 10-ounce ball of clay and I've opened it out and I've pre-thrown it on the wheel, and I've thrown an 8-ounce ball of clay that I'm going to put on top there. So that basically enables me to effectively put a centered a centered 18-ounce ball of clay on the wheel, which should be well sufficient for making a cereal bowl with. So I'm going to turn it on there. I'll just get some water and I'm just going to start to just tidy that up a little bit. Just waiting for it to weld at the join line. It's taking a little while. It's actually moved off then. Just spending a little bit of time just welding it on there. I might go resurrection and just give it a bit of weight onto the top. Slowly come off there. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the 4-lift bowl. I'm going to grab a collar of clay and I'm going to slowly come up in a straight line, roughly a straight line. Lift number 1. Lift number 2 is the plant pot lift, where I come up and I just come up and I do like a gentle plant pot shape in space. I'm kind of dwelling a little bit on the join line, but I didn't feel the join line that time, so it feels quite good. Okay, I'll slow the wheel down a little bit there because I don't want it to go too fast. So the next lift is what I call the trumpet lift. I'm going to grab a collar of clay, slowly come up, and I'm just going to trumpet it out a little bit here from this point onwards. Roll it all out. So I'm getting roughly to the right diameter of a cereal bowl. I'll slow the wheel down a little bit more, and I'm going to come onto it, and I'm going to give it a bowl shape. So I'm going to start from the bottom, just slowly bring that wall out to meet the rim at the top, and that is a full-size cereal bowl thrown on a pottery wheel. I'll take the water out of the inside. I'll take the water off the rim. I'll take the water off there. I might just slow it down just a little bit more and just do one more gentle lift where I just get that shape a little bit better. That's fantastic. I'm going to come off, stay on the rim for a few seconds, wrap the sponge around the rim, turn the wheel. I'll give you a few angles on that. So that is a fully sized cereal bowl thrown on a small pottery wheel at Bentham Pottery. And there's my mum in the background over there watching. Can you see her there? So thank you so much for watching.